Hi, good morning and welcome. I bought this speed regulator online, and I'm just planning to use it for reducing the speed of my angle grinder, cutter, and can also be used as a dimmer. And instead of connecting it directly to the individual appliances, I thought I'll make a small box for convenience. So what I have in mind is a base plank like this. Fix a ready-made box here, and then put in a sort of boundary like box, and fix these sockets and switches here. And this regulator I'm just planning to install here, and this would be hanging here like this. So the whole unit comes into a single box. The inlet comes here and then transferred here through the regulator, and the outlet is taken from here. So this is what I have in mind. Let's see how it's going to turn out. Thank you for watching.